Hi everyone, so I'm back with another great off-campus opportunity, and this one is with Sense. So if you don't know by now, Sense is hiring for software engineering interns right now. So this is an internship opportunity, and a lot of you guys have been commenting ki bhaiya bring some internship opportunities for college students. So here you go. This is an internship opportunity. So in this video, we'll be talking about the role, the requirements, we'll be talking about the eligibility, and I'm going to give you guys some tips on how to make your resume so that it gets shortlisted. So make sure that you watch the entire video before you apply. The link to apply is of course going to be in the description box. And if you're someone who's having difficulty in off-campus placements, if you're having difficulty in getting your resume shortlisted, or if you're having difficulty in knowing how to prepare the right way for a dream company, then you can connect one-to-one with me, where I will personally mentor you and guide you and make sure that you get all of the knowledge that you need in order to crack your dream company. So you can connect one-to-one with me. The link for that is going to be in the description box. All right. Now coming back to this opportunity, like I said, Sense is hiring for software engineering intern, and the link is in the description box. You can check the link out. But watch the entire video before you apply. All right, so let's start off with the eligibility. So the eligibility here is pretty lenient. They have not exactly mentioned any year. All they mentioned is currently pursuing a bachelor's or a master's degree in computer science or related field. Now this related field a lot of times does allow for BSc students and CS, BCA students. So they have not asked only for BTech, they have said bachelor's degree in computer science, software engineering, or any related field. Okay, that means that they have kept it as very lenient. So I highly suggest that if you're a college student, if you're in your third year, final year, then go for it. Okay, make sure that you apply for it because we see a very rare time that the eligibility is this lenient. Okay, so of course I highly recommend that all of you guys take part in it, because if you ever have work experience on your resume, that will always triumph over just self-paced projects. So if you have actual internship projects in your resume, that will do way better than having just random self-paced projects or clone projects, right? So this is a pretty decent opportunity. Now, as for the requirements, so I'll give you a complete list of all of the keywords like I usually do. I'll give you a complete list of keywords in the description box that aligns or matches with their job ID, that matches with their technical requirements, because that is what you need to have in your resume to make sure that your resume passes their screening, their ATS, so to speak. Just have a look at the keywords in the description box and then add them in your resume. You don't need to add all, and you don't need to add whatever you don't know. You can learn and then add. You know the drill. You guys have been watching my videos for a long time. You know the drill. But in a nutshell, I'll tell you exactly what they are looking for. So they're looking for someone with a bit of hands-on experience, meaning you have made projects. So if you've made projects where you've used REST APIs, you've done development in front end or back end, anything, if you have knowledge of SQL. And one thing that they mentioned, and this is very unique, and this is why I said you guys should be leaning towards AI, is that they are asking for someone who can write LLM prompts. This is why learning a bit of AI, learning a bit of Gen AI, learning a bit of even prompt engineering, these things can definitely help you, because all of the companies right now are moving towards AI. All of the companies are looking to integrate AI into their products. You look around you, which company is not integrating AI? So if you have AI in your resume, if you have AI integration in your projects, even if you have something as basic as just calling an API of Gemini, or even just prompt engineering basic things, these things are going to help you. So make a proper resume. If you are able to write anything related to AI, if you're able to integrate AI, well and good, but it's not that important right now because it's not completely an AI based role, right? And of course, the other things that I told you, the list of keywords in the description box, you can have a look and then you'll understand most of it, right? Like what all to put in your resume. Again, let me remind you, don't take the stress. You don't need to put every bit of keyword in your resume. It just should matter to them, that it should showcase to them that you have some hands-on experience with what they are looking for, with the technologies that they are looking for. That is essential. Okay, so of course you can just frame your resume the right way, right? You can frame your resume the way that they want, and then of course you can apply. Now apart from all of that, the basic things that I keep on repeating in all of my videos: have a decent resume template. Apart from that, have a good ATS score. I keep on repeating, if you're new to the channel, if you don't know, then you can use websites like Resume Worded, Enhance CV. I've talked about them extensively. You can use them to basically create a very good ATS friendly resume. And if you want me to make a complete video about how to make a resume that will get shortlisted everywhere, then leave a comment and I'll surely, like, I'll plan and make a video around it, right? Because it is a heavy topic, so I'll surely plan and make a video about it if you guys ask me in the comments for it. But again, in a nutshell, have a good resume template, have a good ATS friendliness, or have a good ATS score basically that will lead to ATS friendliness. Have a pass friendly resume, make sure there's no mistakes in your resume, and make your resume the best version of itself. And if you don't know how to make it the best version of yourself, or if you don't know where to improve, you can book a resume review call with me, where again I will personally help you and review your resume and give you guidance and suggestions on what improvements to make. Okay, so that's pretty much it. It is not a big deal. If you're able to do all of these things, you'll have a great chance of getting your resume shortlisted. So make sure that you apply. The link to apply, of course, is going to be in the description box. And I am telling you again and again, you have to be on your toes. As soon as the video comes, you have to apply. A lot of times these openings are closing within hours of me posting, because what happens, I post a video, a lot of people start applying because I have a great audience. So a lot of people start applying, and then immediately they get a lot of applications and then they close the opening. So you have to make sure that you're one of the first people to apply, because of course it is first come first serve. If you apply after the opening close, there's no point of it. So you have to be on your toes. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and make sure that you have a proper resume template ready, which is editable and you can make changes to it immediately, and then of course apply on a company to company basis. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'll be bringing a lot of opportunities for you guys. Right now is a peak time for hiring. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you do not miss out on any hiring alert. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see you in the next video.